Umtang ba kajilau kon ke sang mau la taklai VPP halo sipotri kimat berwan ra ba den mentakasngi apok ingin ba thau ai haba juba halo kani nagale Conrad wa bu jingkli ban dawa nak VPP ba kadai ban le kum ba kren pom ban le ban ban da khong pom ya kani wa kadeu halo ka jing pendu bor ka HDC ke persensia VPP ya gedang ba sinong de bor rai de bar hima ke do ba sinong halo ka land amendment bill jo ke council
a situation where we have bulldozed in any way. There has never been a situation where we go from the back door and get the sale of any land done. Everything is done in a procedure and a manner that is known to all. And as mentioned by the honorable member and the mover of this short duration, he mentioned that the community should be taken into consideration. And sir, I agree totally with that particular aspect. But I would also like to stress that the honorable member and his political party should practice what they preach. So today, you're aware, sir, that there is an act of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Regulation and Administration of Land Amendment Bill 2026. And there is a clause there in section 16, which says that in section 16 of the Principal Act, the word, quote, after prior consultation with respective Dorbar Shnongs, Dorbar Rai, and Dorbar Hima, unquote, appearing after the words Executive Committee shall be deleted. So this particular amendment is quite unfortunate. And I must say it goes completely against the principle that was just mentioned in this discussion that we are having today. And I quote again, community should be taken into consideration, sir. Whereas in the Khasi Hills District Council, this particular act today is being amended to remove the Rangbashnongs, remove the right as well as the Hima from this entire procedure of participation, sir. So where is the fairness? Where is the fairness? And sir, when we talk about ensuring that there must be a system of transparency, that there must be a procedure in which all the different aspects are involved. Sir, our forefathers had that sight, had that vision. They knew that this must be done. And that is why today, sir, we have traditional institutions and setups. We have Rangbashnongs, we have the right, and we have the Hima, precisely to ensure that multiple checks and balances are there in our traditional system. And this system has been followed for decades and centuries, sir, I must say. And therefore, I urge, sir, that maybe this particular demand that is there, I would like to put this demand back to VPP. And I would like to also put my charter of demand on VPP to the KHADC and tell them that please practice what you preach. Please involve the traditional institutes. Please ensure that community is not left behind. I think that is very, very important. I totally agree with what the honorable member has mentioned, sir. So the next point is the securing of secure Meghalaya by stopping illegal influx.